Lots of wood in the shop today. I'll have a quick tour around, show you what we've got. Big slabs of spalted beech, nice bit of elm in the middle there. Huge chunks of well spalted and coloured beech. The fire extinguisher's not for sale. Giraffe pen blanks, Hampshire sheen embellishing waxes, kieranite glitters, fountain pen ink, sandpaper, more spalted beech. It's huge slabs of fantastic spalted beech. European olive, nicely figured. Good for some little tables, very small tables, or serving platters. Ash, walnut, mix of maple, elm, oak. Another couple of big spalted beech slabs. Got coolie bar, bimble box, yellow box, brown mallee, purple heart, zebrano, walnut, yellow box, bimble blocks, lots of smalls, sycamore, polyester large rods, good for bottle stoppers. Oak, spalted beech. I've got some post office parquet flooring, £1 a bit. Yew, or is it me? Spalted silver birch. We've got some burr offcuts for casting. Whiskey, staves. Some nice oak in there. Another big board. Got a lovely bit for a mantle there. There's a nice teak, genuine teak. Maple burr, got a figurine on that. Tree of heaven, yew, spalted elm over here. Lovely oak. And there's some oak bits there, some more burrs, elm burrs there, a few oak burrs. Cut-offs. Bargain bucket cut-off, spalted beech, bit of walnut, other things there. Cedar of Lebanon, ebonite. We've got rotor pen turning mandrels. These are all our pen kits. Back to more wood. Again, some bargain bucket offcuts, lots of this is spalted beech, some pen blanks there, some of those are stabilised, £1 a piece. Oak pieces, £1 each. And here, kieranite pen blanks, more of the large polyester rods, 200mm kieranite pen blanks, Turner's mesh, chestnut spirit stains, fantastic chestnut finishes, Hampshire sheen, Yorkshire grit, full range here of the chestnut finishes, Turner's mesh, steel wool. We take you around here. We have lots of rings in stock. Ring blanks, some of the colours here of the opal, and wooden pen blanks. You've got the English pen blanks or British pen blanks and the exotics. frogwood, which is similar to Spectra Ply, project blocks from Kirinite, the big packs of Abranet, and again more Hampshire sheen items for making your rings, CA glues, polishes, more net abrasive, and here we've got some project blocks. You make catapults, etc. out of those. Wooden ring blanks, and then we've got rows and rows of knife scales. So we sell these in 3mm thickness, 6mm. Fantastic bright colours you see there. And then we've got some sheets as well. This is glow in the dark sheets, perfect for aligning your knife with to find it in the dark. 9mm knife scales, and then sheets of acrylic. So these are 150mm by 300mm, and there's some 300 by 300 sheets in there as well. Even larger sheets, we've got a lot of those, and you can see there lovely colours of the Kirinite sheets, 150 by 300. So all in, we've got something for everybody. Great prices, friendly Yorkshire service. Pay us a visit. You'll be pleased you did.